boys and girls. Let's ride. Looks like there's gonna be some po-po ahead. So let's just tie car easy. Tie car easy. Feel the air, the rain in the air. This Kia, bro, you're killing me. Bro, you're fucking killing me. There we go. There we go. Ladies and gents, we're in New Jersey. I'm not sure if I started a new vlog or this is the old vlog. It's hard to really tell nowadays. What I can tell though is that rain is about to start and I want to get to my destination before it does. I'm gonna see if that's at all possible. Look at this. I don't know why this is happening. That popo is just standing there, slowing everybody down, freaking everybody down. All good. Hopefully there's no more changes. I was going to stop at Rutt's Hut and get some hot dogs. Big fan, but it's not gonna happen today, unfortunately, because I don't want to get wet. I just don't. There's a chance that it's not gonna rain, but there is a 70% chance that it is. So it would be so nice to get somewhere without getting wet. It's such a novel idea. There we go. Half a mile, we're gonna take a little right. These folks are scared. There we go. Dick, sorry. Beautiful. Beautiful. Bike is cooling down a little bit. I actually had a chance to warm up. How about that? Nice. These people, bro, I swear. I was freaking out in the city, but it's time. It's time. Should not be worried about this, that, and the third. Should just be chilling, cruising, relaxing and whatnot. 236, eh? Bike is not really cooling down on this cool day. Interesting. Interesting. So imagine this on a 90-degree day, this baby's gonna freak out. It's gonna freak out all day. Look at that huge mall, Mall of America. Massive. I really do want to go there one of these days. You know, would be fun. Would be indeed fun. Is in the air for sure, for sure. Highway, finally. $2.34. There's hope after all for this baby. And the wind is picking up. Let's see, 10 more minutes. Can I make it? Can I make it? 5 miles. Uh-oh. A little splatter of rain on my visor, sadly. Totes gorge. Look at this. Does not get cuter than Jersey. You look left, you look right, that's just magic. What the heck is that? Some weird flag. Some hipsters doing hipster shit. We good. Might end up going to the right a little bit, probably. A little bit of traffic here, right? Two miles to go, of course. There has to be a little congestion. But I see it brightens out. I think this is the exit everybody takes to go to frickin' Rudd's Hut. Rudd's Hut. Everybody's in the mood for hot dogs, so nice quick journey. Just happy that I'm still dry. 1.2 miles, we're gonna pop off and go locale. There we go. Getting ready now. Getting ready now. See, that's one of the exits, but we're gonna do the next one. There we go. Not this exit, next one. This exit, you gotta be nuts. Look at these people, they're just fucking, it's a shit show. Everybody's freaking out over here. Can't figure it out. Getting a little stiff, but not so bad. Come on, Prius, you got this, homie. Come on. Come on, baby. Is that really how it's gonna be? I'm about to pass all y'all, homies. This is hilarious. Fucking Jersey drivers. You can't make this up. As soon as you cross into Jersey, people go freaking loco. They go wacky. Like they forget basic motor skills. Like look, there's plenty of room for him to go. This guy, oh wow. This guy must be from New York or something. Because look, I didn't wait for nobody. I just went. I found my gap. But the same cannot be said for everyone. Let's not get a speeding ticket now in Nutley. That would be so sad. And here we are. Why it should not rain at all, and all this freaking out was for nothing. That would be the story of my life. Cute Jeep, bro. Totally adorable. Making this light, making that light, making all lights. This is the truth. These people are gonna get soaked. Good. Nutley. Haven't been here in 2 minutes. And we're back now. Gorgeous. What else can I tell you about me and why I am the way I am? No, nothing. I think everything I could have possibly told you, I've said already. Like pretty much everything. Whatever I didn't tell you, you don't need to know. Look at these houses. Some cute houses here in this godforsaken town of Nutley where all my friends moved to. Because they ain't cool. Because they ain't cool. I shall park back here. Oh God. And we are here. Talk to you later, guys.